In 2023, Matthew Lani became infamous, claiming to be a doctor. We all remember that he gave health advice. He had on his TikTok 550k TikTokers who were listening to his advices. They were his followers. But it crashed when the Department of Education dropped a bombshell. Yes, do you remember that bombshell? They said he was a bogus doctor. That's what they told us. With no metric, police arrested him, but then came the twist, and I want us to talk about that twist. So, Section 41B of CPA says, arrest without warrant requires reasonable suspicion of offense. The NPA later dropped the charges, claiming there wasn't sufficient evidence. So this was